Okay, video on planting. I have been planting the last 3 weekends. My husband has been away helping my parents to remodel their house. And so I love just doing what I can, using what I have. These are, I guess, like just old grain bags. We order our own grain to make our own bread in our we're using our bread mill, and so I thought, you know what, why not? These are burlap. So I went ahead and stuffed them with soil, and then I put the tomato amendments that I buy at Love Apple Farms here in Santa Cruz or Scotts Valley, California. So I've got oregano, I've got, this is a white cherry tomato. I've got to go get some twine in my she shed, so I did what I had. This is a white tomato or white cherry tomato, and then this is comfrey, and then this one is, what is this, California, bell pepper. So it's been misty, and then this one is sorrel for my chickens. This one is black crim tomato. It was a suggestion from a customer when I was shopping at Love Apple Farms. More comfrey, and then this is also oregano, because this is going to go down to the chicken area, and I have these in the burlap also. But when Jim gets home, he's going to help me carry these down. Well, he's going to carry them down. I've also got foxglove, which is so pretty, and then another bell pepper. But these are the bags, basically. We get our grains in there so I can make my own bread. There's this one, and then the burlap. But this is the garden. This is what are we, April 25th? I've got beans still coming. Fava beans. You know, they're here. I'm just gonna let them grow on the vine and turn into seed. This is my nasturtium. Yesterday I planted a sunflower here, right here. I planted tomatoes. Let's see, tomato, basil, beets, radishes. These are like watermelon radishes. Sunflower. These are from last year. Marigolds. This is nasturtium popping up on its own. Borage. What else? I planted another tomato and basil here. I've got kale, more beans. See, you can see all the beans. I'm just gonna let them go to seed because I've got plenty here. What is that one? Is it calendula? Yeah, pot marigold. So beautiful. That just popped up. Nasturtium. These are the beans. Fava beans. These are just going to go to seed because we've eaten them, and it's just so fun. And you stir fry them. I didn't realize how many we have. Goodness. Wow. It is so fun. So fun. And there's a sunflower there, marigold I planted there, tomato and basil. That's alyssum. That never died. Yeah. So what else? I've got eggplant there. I've got blueberries coming up there. Pot marigold that's kind of doing okay. That's a bush bean. Sunflowers, tomato basil. You can see the theme. And actually, you're supposed to put a marigold with them too. And then there's a tomato there, and I need to plant a basil. And that's it. That's April 2025 garden. That's just one of the gardens. Okay, cheers.